Social media is buzzing after reports claim that Thembisa Mdoda's second marriage to Eric Abinxumalo may be on the rocks, with many fans raising eyebrows after she did not attend her sister Anele Mdoda's wedding, sparking talk of possibly family tension. According to the Daily Sun, the famously private couple are allegedly no longer seeing eye to eye, and sources claim that Abi has moved out of their four-ways marital home, fueling rumors of a separation. As the story gains traction, old conversations have resurfaced around Thembisa's previous marriage to Athandwa, a prince of theatre Kani, who once spoke publicly about their on and off a relationship that began at Wits University, a painful breakup, and a serious allegations that were never tested in court. With speculation growing and social media divided, many are now wondering who Thembisa is leaning on as she quietly navigates yet another difficult chapter. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.